மாவு கொஞ்சம் வைத்துக்கா. இல்ல வேண்டாம்ப்பா. அதான் பாப்பா வச்சுக்கோல. நான் அவங்ககிட்ட பேசுறேன். சரிப்பா. அது தேங்க்ஸ்ப்பா. கடைசியில கழுவு வச்சுருமா?
நான் வெளில உட்காந்துருக்கேன். கிளாஸ் மீட்டிங் முடிச்சுட்டு வரேன். 9 மணிக்கு 8 to 9.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome. I'm Rohit sir here. I'm Rohit Ranjan here. I'm your training director. I hope I'm audible. Please type yes, no. आवाज आ रही है आप लोगों को? Please type yes, no. Chat box में भी आप कोई queries yes. Thanks Rashi. Thanks Kiran. Welcome everybody. And with me, Mr. Rahul Shitole is there. He's having more than 7 years experience into designs. AutoCAD. He is teaching full-time trainer with us. I mean, as a faculty, he's also has trained a lot of candidates, online, offline, both. So he'll be teaching your AutoCAD trainings, and you'll be with him for the next 2 weeks, complete training AutoCAD. And again, welcome everybody. Rahul, you can start the training. It's 8:06. You can start, and please try to join by 7:55 by tomorrow. We'll start at 8 because we have to, we'll not waste the time. So be try to connect 7:55 p.m. before 5 minutes. Okay, Rahul, I'm ending. You can start the continue the training.
Good evening, everybody. Am I audible?
It's audible.
Okay, fine. Is screen is visible for everyone?
Rahul, it's visible, but please change your mic. You maybe there is a distortion in your mic. You do a test or use some another mic of your headphone.
Okay, fine. Just wait for a minute. I will just be on hold, everyone. Yeah, is it audible?
Yes, it's audible completely. Now it's okay, Rahul.
Okay, fine. Let's continue. By AutoCAD. Before let us start from basic initially. Coming to this AutoCAD, here see auto, as the name indicates that auto means as a logo they mentioned as. CAD means computer aided design.
Rahul, please unmute yourself. There is a settings. Please unmute yourselves. Rest people all please mute yourselves. Rahul, मैंने mute कर दिया इधर से, but you can unmute yourselves.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine. Yes, see, coming to this AutoCAD versions. Okay, name will be AutoCAD. The version comes under 2010 version, 2011, 12, 13, 14, like that. It will be many. Up to now, we have 21 versions, 2021. Whatever the input, that means in working principle will be same, no change and change, even in tools, whatever we are using. For example, say, okay, in this is the ribbon bar which we mention as, okay, and this is the command prompt, especially which is most important in AutoCAD. Okay, in this ribbon bar, whatever the tools in draw tool, if you are seeing the updated version, how it will be in past version, it will be, if there are 6 tools in updated version, there will be 8. Just they will add 2 or 3 more tools. That's it. What difference will be? Remaining all same to same. They may add multiple tools or multiple, but remaining everything will be same, and there won't be any kind of changes in the past tools which they made. Okay, whatever the tools we are using currently, in updated there won't be any change in that. It will be as it is, but they will add a bit extra. Okay, fine. And whenever you are making an AutoCAD file, first most important is paperwork. For example, if you are making any design, first unit for civil engineers, like this, paperwork is most important, because once you are making a work now, again you can't change whether it will be civil, mechanical, electrical. Okay, paperwork is most important for you, because always if you don't have proper paperwork now, it makes used to change. Always you need to modify the tools. That means if you need 10 centimeter line, if you have taken 20, vice versa, you will take 20, like that. You will take constantly 20. Again, it makes you to edit it. So time waste for us. So before paperwork, first step is imagination and paperwork. Then CAD design. It saves more amount of time. Okay. Fine. Now let us start the tools of AutoCAD. Let's see what we are going to learn in this. First, the drawing toolbars entirely, and secondary modified toolbars. Whatever the drawing we made, that drawings need to be modified in this. After that, text and dimensions, how to provide dimensions in that, links for these are especially for mechanical. Okay, and especially layers. Mostly this is important for civil and electrical. What is meant by layer? I will explain one by one. Okay. And coming next, here this is the command prompt. Whatever the work we are going to make here, everything you will get here. Okay, in command prompt, command bar. For example, if I want to, in this AutoCAD, we can work in 2 ways, either by selecting in manual process or by using shortcuts. Here we are going to teach in 2 ways, shortcut and manual vice versa at a time. Okay, be alert, note them, everyone, whatever the shortcuts I'm going to tell. Okay, here see, how command prompt works. Just let us have an example. Per line, if you want to make a line normally, if you have select normally, you have got the line. Select the first point and select the second point. Select the second point. Enter. It will leave. First one command. Specify first point, specify second point. Like that, it will. Command bar is most important in AutoCAD. It will guide us what we need to do. That will also I will let you know. Now see, by using shortcuts. First tool is L, line. That means L, enter. Okay. See, L enter I use. Specify first point. Reference as a first point. It is mandatory. Specify the first point. And second point, whether it's for electrical, mechanical, civil, whatever the department, if you have proper dimension, either you can select the anyway as per the, if you have proper dimension 10 centimeter, if you need provide 10 centimeter, if you are getting proper 10 centimeter, you can select the second point directly, or not with reference tertiary, provide the dimension 10 and select enter. Change the direction. If you want 5 centimeter here, provide 5 and enter. With proper dimensions, you will get each and everything. See again 10.86, provide 10, enter. And finally, this will be 5 endpoint, it will get selected. To leave the tool, enter or escape we need to use. Got it? This is the use of command prompt in our basic AutoCAD. See, whatever the model we made, for example, see here I will show you. First command with command L for line, we got specify first point, we have selected. After the specify next point or dimension, dimension 10. Got it? And specify the next point or undo. Next point we made again 5. Got it? In line command, resuming line command, because we have continued. Second dimension 5 we made, upper side 5 has continued. After that 10 we made, left side 10 we got directly. Specify next point or close. Here we didn't provide dimension, we directly selected the end point. This is how AutoCAD works from this to here. Entire AutoCAD, whatever the tools you are using, whatever it is, everything you will get in command prompt. Okay, and let us with how to open the page and these all things. I'm closing the present one. This is the initial page which you will get. Okay, and from at left side you have two options. In this side, that means at top left, either from here you can open or here you can open. And third one is the shortcut, Control N. If you are selecting the new, you will get a new drawing. See, by default AutoCAD DW open, select open, you will get the file AutoCAD main page. If this is the first option, and second option at top, new, directly select this and you will get directly, it will ask to open the directly default page and select open DWG file ACAD. No issue, you can open that. And this is the second one, second type, how to open new. And tertiary main shortcut is Control N. This is the third one. Okay, select open like this. In these three ways, you open the AutoCAD. And coming to next, open the new file is open. If you have made any drawing, past model, whichever you want to open, for that select this open drawing. Here you need to show the path. Path in the sense where you saved the past model. Whatever the model you made in the past, you need to show the path for that. Okay, it will show. Just you need to show here. You will get ACAD file, DW. If there is DWG file, it will open directly. It will show us. Okay, and secondary also you can open. And third option, Control O to open. Okay, just we need to show the path. Okay, and finally here plus. That means this is plus means new drawing. Directly will get a one more. Starting new drawing. If you need anything else, it will show. Okay, and coming to what is meant by layout 1 and layout 2. If you are making any model here, whatever it is, let us make any circle. In layout, it will show how it looks. Okay, see, in layout it will show us. If there is a bigger, it won't show. As per the size, it depends. Okay, actually we won't use mostly these layouts. Just briefly I am informing. And Before starting AutoCAD, I'm going to tell you few things which is most important. At bottom, grid, snap mode, like this, we have money. What is the use of these two? Okay, initially I will tell you. But see the background, whatever it is, as a chart graph we have, we can see the grid. That is what grid. To or switch on or switch off, we use this button. Okay, grid. For older version, you will get left side. Okay, by the name shortcut. For this, the shortcut is F9. F7 is the shortcut for grid. If you are selecting F7, grid will get off on. See, here it is showing. Just selecting shortcut F7. On off and on off. Grid off. Grid on. Just using shortcuts. And coming to secondary snap. What is meant by snap? Before that, the shortcut of snap is F9. Snap off, snap on. Okay. Let the snap be on. What is the use of snap? Let us take the line command. L, enter. L, specify the first point. Here see the dimension how it shows. Specify the first point 1, 1.5, 2.5 like this. It is directly selecting. It will select just edge points of this grid. Okay, that is the use of grid and snap mode. Okay, the grid let it be on or off, no issue. It will just by default it will select the exact edge points. Edge points it will be for every 0.5 distance. It will be 0.5, 1.5, 2, 2.5 like this. See, you can see here. If I am going to bottomwards, minus 0.5. Got it? So if you are keeping grid and snap mode on, that will be advantage for you as a starting. Once you are being expert, then not required. Automatically it will select the edges. Now let us start the drawing toolbar. L, enter. Okay. First I am selecting. Select the first point. Either you can select the second point, either 20 distance if you are 20. If you want 50, select 50, enter, and change the direction. That's a mandatory. Most distant 20, enter, and provide the direction. If you want 10, enter. Provide the direction, proper path. Direction, clarity, like that, everything. 10, enter. So if you want in 40 degrees, angular line, that also it is possible. So I will tell you. If I want here 40 degrees, yeah, am I audible? Okay. Just I lost the background.
Hello, your screen is disappeared.
Hello? Yeah. Just a minute. Yeah, we got it. Is it visible?
Not yet.
Okay, it will be visible now. Okay, AutoCAD file. Can you see?
Now visible.
Okay, fine. Now see, inline, if you want, let us continue with, select the end point. If you want in an angularity, okay, the line, how? At proper angularity and distance from One is end, two is end point. You have distance 20, provide 20 and like the tab. Don't drag it. Okay, here if you want in 45 degrees, select 45 or 60 degrees. Let us assume. Mention 60, enter. Got it? Even though if you are calculating, that will be perfect 60 degrees. Got it? This tab button while you are working now, here there will be two. That means one is distance, other is angular. Tool it will give for if you, for example, if you are taking rectangle, there is two lengths in for length in the sense length and width like that. Here distance and angularity for line. Once your command is finished, select enter. Now let us cross check the command bar how it worked. See, command L, specify the first point we selected. For second point 50 distance we given. For second first distance, secondary 20 distance, third 10 distance, again 10 distance, again 20 distance. Okay, due to some issue I lost the signal now. After that again we continued. Command line I have selected. Okay, after that next point I place 6 degrees angularity. Directly each and everything you will get here. Whenever you are practicing, try to practice with commands. Okay. And second tool, polyline. For polyline, PL enter. Okay. Select the first point. What is the main use of polyline? In polyline, you will get a straight line and arc. Line and arc, vice versa, in a single tool. But we need to change in this command. What we need? Specify the first point. This is common for most of the tools. And the second one, if you want line, provide the distance 50. It is set in continue. If you want any arc here, directly, if you don't want line, if you want arc, here you can see the arc. Okay, select the for arc shortcut, select A, enter. If you want arc, select arc. Here see. Either by command you will get, or you can select normally. Okay, no issue. Here, how much diameter you need? It is asking diameter. See, from top to bottom, dotted lines you can see 20, 23, 24. It is changing now. That means it is asking diameter. If you want 25, if you want 30, provide 30 and enter. And again, yet we have the past command as I said you. If you have working in arc, it will continue only with arc. If the past command is line, it will continue with line. Okay. The past command in polyline is arc, so it is asking secondary also arc only. Okay. If you want to change from arc to line, select line. See, directly straight lines we got. From here to how much distance we took starting 50, enter. And final point. Select it, and to leave the command, select enter or escape. Got it? The polyline. And coming to next, circle. For in circle we have many types. For that the shortcut is C, enter. Okay. See. Here, first point is the reference which we need to provide for each and everything. Here also. Select the first point here. Second point we need to provide radius. See, either in these two options we have. If you have dimension in diameter, you can change. Here you can see circle, specify radius of circle it is asking. Got it? Specify radius of circle it is asking. By default currently it is in radius. If you want to change this radius to diameter now, select here. Either you can select this diameter, you can provide D, enter. Specify diameter of a circle. Got it? Specify radius of circle at that time. After I change the command, that means I change it. I want in diameter. Here see, in diameter we are getting. Provide 30, enter. This is of 30 diameter. Up to here, okay na? Any queries? Just let me know. In this circle we have many types. Okay, I will explain that also. Okay, fine, let's continue. Basic circle, how to make, you got it. In this circle, center and radius, center and diameter, you got it. Center and radius in the sense, center as we made this center, by default it came in radius. If you want to change radius to diameter, it will change like that. De-enter and provide a radius. If you want in radius, select 10 radius, enter. By default it is in radius, that is all. In the circle there are many types. I will explain you individually. See, enter. Circle, 3-point circle, 2-point circle, tan radius. That means 2 tangencies and a total amount of radius is placed. Okay, first let us select 3-point circle. What is meant by 3-point circle? It needs 3 individual points. It will make a, you will get a circle which is connecting to 3 points. See, select the first point. I'm selecting second point, this, like that. I will explain you here. Circle, 2-point circle, 3-point circle. See here. If you, whenever you want 2-point circle, directly you can select from here, or by using shortcut C enter, 2-point you can select. I will show here also. First point and specify the second end point of circle diameter. Second end point. This is what 2-point circle. And now let us see 3-point circle. Select this 3-point circle. First point, second point, third point. See, third point. First point I selected here. Second, third, it will connect to that point. But in this 2-point and 3-point circle, you won't get proper tangencies. Okay, that is a backlog, but no issue. But tan, here see the tan radius, tan means you will get the circle with proper tangencies. Got it? Here see, for example, let us make tan radius or tan 3 tangencies of the circle. For a rectangle, let us make. Okay. Tan 3 tangencies. Okay, select the first point, till the second. It needs just difference, not even point. Third one, you will get proper tangencies. Got it? Yes, see, proper tangency we got. But in this, it has just connected. There won't be tangencies in this. Okay. And tan radius. What is meant by tan? In tan means 3 reference it needs. No diameter. In tan means 2 tangencies with 1 diameter. 2 tangencies, 1 radius. First tangency, second tangency, diameter, specify radius, 14.75 is the past one which it took, I entered. Now with let us decrease from 14.75 to other number. Select the first one, second one, 10, enter. See, this is the 10 radius with 2 tangencies. Up to here, okay na? Any queries up to circle?
Okay.
Okay, fine then. Let us make an examples also. Before that, tools are mandatory for you. Okay. Without knowing the tool, nothing you can make an example. I will keep a soft copy of our companies. Here's the soft copy for electrical, mechanical, civil. These all are mixed in this. So you can start with mechanical at top. It has started with mechanical. After that, civil. Examples for practice. After that, see few examples of civil engineer with proper dimensions you have mostly. In this variable units, I will explain how to change units also now itself. And for electrical, finally, these all are for electrical. Okay. Now see here's it. From starting, we are directly blindly start making models without seeing units. Whenever you are making a model now, first step you need to make is cross check the unit. In which units this is currently. Further, the shortcut is UNITS. Enter units directly. First step decimal degree of precision. For precision here in decimal we need just 2 or 3 is more enough, or 2 is more enough, no issue. And coming to this angularity, 1 is enough after that. And here see we have in inches. For inches mostly mechanic and civil engineers will use. Okay, meters, inches mostly civil engineers require. Coming to electrical or mechanical, mm or centimeter is more enough. Okay, mostly. And also it is not even in our hand. As per company norms, these units changes. Okay, units will be get changed as per company to company. They will inform how they need. As per their input, we need to make output. First, most important is you need to make sure that which units it is present. Then only can start the model. Like this, never and ever start the model. Okay. Then you can change this to inches now. We started with inches. If you want in centimeter, now I can't change this model. By default, everything dimension is perfect. Only in inches itself I will get. This makes me to recreate the entire model again. Like that it will be. See. If you are checking 42.5.
Rahul,
How much bigger?
we have a request. Rahul, excuse
Yeah?
me, Rohit here. Rahul.
Yeah.
There is students. They have a request for to speak in English, Hindi or Marathi. So Hindi में भी, if all people are comfortable, please let. अगर किसी को issues है तो आप बता दो. Else Rahul can speak in Hindi also. Everybody okay with Hindi? Everybody? क्योंकि उनको ज़्यादा comfortable लगता है. Everybody okay in Hindi? Please type. Okay. अगर कोई issue है तो बताओ. Okay in Hindi? Because all are Indian students only. किसी को भी हिंदी में, मराठी को भी सर आता है, हिंदी आता है, मराठी इंग्लिश तीनों आता है, बट यू नो मे बी पीपल फ्रॉम साउथ आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल. हिंदी ओके एवरीबॉडी? नॉट हिंदी में कर लो, इनको ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा, कंफर्टेबल लगेगा.
No. Hello, can you hear me? Yeah, this is I am from Tamil Nadu.
Okay. Yours good name, sir?
So I couldn't able to not understand the Hindi.
Okay, Shiva, na?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Okay, fine. Shiva, sir, are you there?
Yeah, I am here. I am
Okay.
listening you.
Fine. Okay, that is why I was asking, because in English. ठीक, anyway, Rahul, you speak, continue in English only. अगर किसी को हिंदी में भी doubt है, if anybody has doubt in, they can talk in Hindi, Marathi, English, all are comfortable. Doubt session, you can talk in individual language.
Yeah.
No issues.
Doubt second
Okay.
it is okay, no problem.
Okay, Rahul.
Yeah, the class
Because
section
Rahul
you
sir
take
knows
only
Hindi,
then.
Marathi, English, both the 3 languages. So even local
English,
students,
yes.
they can ask in Hindi, Marathi, English, whatever it form. Okay. In English, okay. ठीक है Rahul, no issues. Please continue.
Okay, fine. Currently already we have about 20 more minutes. Now up to here it is enough for the today class. Currently if you have any queries, just let me know. If you want to explain any tool, let me know up to here.
हिंदी में भी राहुल बोल दो, अभी हो जाने के बाद हिंदी इंग्लिश भी यूज करो. इंग्लिश हिंदी, कोई इंग्लिश में डाउट सेशन हिंदी में भी ले सकते हो, इंग्लिश में भी. if anybody they can talk in English language. हाँ, देखो you don't think or out other students will say यहाँ कोई इज्जत नहीं जाने वाला. You are here to learn something. We are there out to deliver you something. आप बात कर सकते हैं. राहुल सर, they support you. Please switch your mute and unmute करो आप mic. Mute करो. Mute or make it a habit of muting, unmuting. You know, अब make it a habit of mute, unmute, mute, unmute. इट्स ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग में ये चलता है, म्यूट अनम्यूट करो, बोलो फिर बंद करो, फिर बोलो बंद करो, ऐसे।
Yeah. Any doubts up to here? Just let me know.
Hello,
Should I-
Rahul sir. This is
yeah.
Anil. This is Anil. So I joined this meeting late, 10 minutes late, sir. Please, can you explain us with starting?
Rahul,
Starting which
Anil,
tool
Anil,
you
I'll
need?
share the recordings. Don't worry. आपको recordings
Okay.
मिलेगा. I'll share the Zoom recordings. Don't worry. तब ज्वाइन भी
Okay,
अगर
okay.
लेट किए हो तो इंडिविजुअली अगेन वी कैन नॉट रिपीट, बट स्टिल ज्यादा कुछ नहीं हुआ. I'll share the recordings.
Because sir, this is the first day. That's the reason I'm asking for.
Okay. Can rewind the Rahul. Yeah, it's still, you know.
Yeah, Mr. Akash, I will let you know Arise tool how we need to use. Not now. That it will be in modified toolbars. Okay. Next, it will be in 3rd or 4th class. At that time, you will come to know Arise toolbar. Okay. Currently, in these 3 tools, any queries up to here? Please just let me know. Line, polyline, circle. If it is okay, I will continue with arc also. So let us have an
You
example
can
then. Let us have an example how to make a line command. Let us start with the civil drawing. If you want to make a design of this directly with line command, entirely you can make it. How? By default, first step we need paperwork is mandatory, whatever the model we are making. In AutoCAD. Okay. And in this, all dimensions are in centimeter. First cross check. Whether you are working in any company, they will mention at the bottom left side. Okay. Dimension. What are the units for that dimension? Just convert your unit symbol. Okay. To centimeter. Units. Enter. Cross check. Okay. It is in centimeter. Fine. Now here let us start. I'm just making this hatching process. Just go through this, how I am making, and follow that. First step, L, enter. Directly by using shortcuts I am explaining. Select the first point. And secondary, 2.55 is the length for us starting. Okay, zoom in by using the toolbar, by using the mouse, by using the scroll upper side. Okay, L, enter. Select the first point and provide the direction. In which direction we need? First 2.55, enter. And at bottom 3.5. Provide the bottom direction, and here see it by default it is selecting to the endpoints. It's only because of snap. Select F9 and switch it off. Now see, without snap we can easily move anywhere else. That is the main use of snap. Advantage also there, disadvantage also there. Okay. Here what is the length? Let us assume. Okay, here we don't have length. L, enter. So the first point. .5 let us assume and enter. And next 3.5. Provide 3.5. Enter. And next, as the past which we made 2.5. Enter. And coming to next 6.8. Enter. And at the top, from here to here, just cross check how much it is. Let us make it as 10. Okay, here it is 12.85, nearly it will be 10. provide the direction and select 10, enter. And coming to the left side, 12.85, 12.85, enter. And directly at the bottom, it will get perfectly, it will get selected to the end point. Again, enter. Got it? This is whatever the inner process here it is. This is the hatching process, which we name it as the hatching process. I will let you know at last. This is the tool for hatching process, and also we have shortcut for hatching process. I will just show you to this example. H, enter. Okay, and select the. Here, see, we have everything as I said you in the starting. We have everything here. Hatch pickup internal point. That means we need to select the point which we need hatching. Many designs. Which design we need? By default here it has chosen this. Okay, and the distance, how much you need. If you need 5 mm pitch, that means difference between these two. Between these two 5 mm unit, you can provide 5. If you want 10, you can make it as 10 and select here. Like that, it is varies. But when you are making initially itself, you can change. After that, again select enter, finish. Like this. This is the output which we have there. Okay. And after finishing the model, you need to provide dimension. That I will tell you now at last. Okay, and coming to a small mechanical example also I will share you. That will be advantage because mechanical will be a bit difficult. See, this model, let us make this example, and I will provide this workbook in. I will share this workbook with you. Everyone better download this and practice. Whether it is mechanical or examples, don't worry, better the more you practice, the more you get in this. Okay, don't think that if you are from electrical, why should I make mechanical drawings? Don't compare. Later on you will be in trouble. If you are getting any errors, list out. In the next class I will explain you. Okay, now let us make this. L, enter, line command, select the first point. Now here let us switch snap mode on F9 because we need exactly at the points. Here see, if I am selecting snap mode on, I will getting edges exactly. If the snap mode is off, here see, it is selecting, even I can select here. Select F9 and let us start 40, enter, and at top it is it is 10, provide 10, enter, and again right side it is 60, enter, and again at upper side it is 10, enter. How I took 10 means at upper side they have mentioned already 10, so here also it will be 10 by default. Okay, and coming to right side it is 30, enter, and at top side 20, enter, and left side 30, enter, and upper side 20, enter, and this side 30, enter, top side 20, enter, and left side 30, enter, and upper side 10, enter, and left side again 60, enter, and again at top side 10 we have, enter, and again finally 40. It's time to select the end point. Okay, to leave the command, select escape or enter. I'm selecting escape. This is the output we need. Okay, here see how the command prompt, whatever we made, everything is here. Command L we started and continuously 40 10 60 like this, 40 10 60 10 30 20 like that, 40 10 40, 10, 60, 10, 30, 20, 30, like this directly. We have shown the path and provided the dimension. It saves more amount of time for us by using shortcuts. Okay. And okay, I'm sending the soft copy. Better everyone download it. Okay. I'm stopping the share.
Sir, one point, sir. Excuse me.
Yeah, tell.
What snap process? I not understand. This snap. What is the
Snap
purpose?
means, okay, fine. I will tell you once more. Snap. Better download this, everyone. First of all, I will explain snap tool. We have few more minutes. Just yeah. I will share screen. Just 2 minutes. Let me send the soft copy for practice.
Soft copy we have, sir, in the group already. The snap.
In the group already you
Rahul,
have?
I have shared them in the group.
Okay,
That
fine, then no
practice
issue.
workbook. They have internal
That's fine
WhatsApp
then.
group. I have shared them.
Okay, fine then. I will explain once more what is the use of snap. Snap and grid. Are you aware of grid? Grid you understood now? This background, whatever we are able to see.
Yes, the layout
This is the
the
grid.
All boxes.
F9. F7 is the shortcut for grid. Coming to snap, F7. F9 is the shortcut for snap. Okay, here see snap off, snap on. In this snap, select the line command. If the snap is on here and the grid bar, here it is endpoint 0.05. At right side 0.5. Automatically, if I am scrolling the mouse, it is selecting the endpoints. Got it? It is
Yes.
selecting only the endpoint directly of this grid.
Which
In
boxes only?
snap, if snap is on, it will select directly the endpoint. If snap is off, see, before that, I have taken line command. Now see how you will get the output for line command. Directly, you will get proper square. If the snap is off, F9, snap off. Okay, in command you can see now. Now let us see. Let us make L enter. See, as a due to reference, it has taken that endpoint, and at bottom, see, I can make anywhere else. It is how freely it is rotating. No properly we are not getting. End to endpoints it is not selecting in grid. Got it? If this snap is on now, it will select only the endpoints of grid. If the snap is off, it will rotate as per your choice. That is what. As per model we need. When you are starting practicing now, at that time you will come to know. Currently you will get confused, I am sure. Okay, just start practicing few models with switch on in this snap and switch off this snap in these two ways, then you will get perfectly.
Size will be selected on the 0.5 factor if the snap is on. Otherwise, any variable you can take. That's the matter.
Yeah, exactly. If the snap is off now, anywhere else, see. If the snap is off, yes, see, 0.66, 0.66, like that. Got it? If the snap is on directly, we are getting 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, like that. Got it? Do you remember? See, here, see. 0.20 like that, 0.16 like that, 0.23, 22,
F9
0.
is short. Anything else for that snap on off?
Shortcut is F9. See, as per our model, if you need snap, switch it on. If you don't want snap, switch it off. That's it. You can work either with switch oning the snap or switch off this snap. It depends on the model. Okay.
Command is already also there, sir, or only F9?
F9 is the only tool for snap. For each and every tool is a shortcut that is fixed. We can't change it. Okay. First, my suggestion is for you, better practice, make few models, then you will get perfect output. Okay. Because directly by explaining it is difficult, everyone will get confused, no issue. But only after starting the practice now, you will get perfect clarity. What is the difference? Okay, fine then. Any more queries? Just let me know in this. Just list out if you have any queries. Just in your models, list out and let me know tomorrow.
हेलो
Hello.
हाँ सर, एक्चुअली जो आप बता रहे हैं सर, वो
Yeah,
एक्चुअली
बताओ.
हाँ वो बहुत फास्ट हो रहा है सर. हाँ एक्चुअली आई एम न्यू कमर फॉर द ऑटोकैड.
Okay, okay.
हाँ सर. तो एग्जैक्टली क्या है सर, अभी आपने जो फर्स्ट लाइन से स्टार्ट किया तो उसको हॉरिजॉन्टली या वर्टिकली हमें प्लेस करना है सपोज. तो
हाँ.
हाँ तो हॉरिजॉन्टली हो वर्टिकली हो उसको अब सब 90 डिग्री में कैसे प्लेस करेंगे सर? अगर सब अपोज अगर हमने एक तो हॉरिजॉन्टली लाइन लिया है, उसके बाद हमको उसको वर्टिकली उसी से अटैच लाइन वर्टिकल करना है, तो उसको एग्जैक्टली 90 डिग्री में कैसे लेंगे?
एग्जैक्टली मैं आपको बताया ना, इधर इस मॉडल में सब कुछ है. हॉरिजॉन्टल, वर्टिकल, एक्स एंड वाई एक्सिस में. ओके, सिर्फ डायरेक्शन दिखाया, डायमेंशन डाला. डू यू रिमेंबर? डायरेक्शन दिखाया. I said you whenever you are making a model na, provide proper dimension and direction. First show direction, second make dimension, you will get output. अब देखो, if you want a rectangle चाहिए, L enter, shortcut डाला, line specify the first point. Okay, x axis में इधर से शुरू करना, इधर से शुरू करना. Provide dimension now. See 100, enter. Okay.
Yes sir.
X axis में चाहिए, चलो 150, enter. Okay, again bottom side 100, enter. And left side either you can provide 150, enter. That means इधर से इधर 150 है, either dimension select कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो you can select here, specify the next point in. Got it? Just direction दिखाना चाहिए. And just in case if you have an angularity, L enter, select the first point. इधर से 45 डिग्रीज का चाहिए तुमको, एग्जैक्टली 100 लेंथ, लाइन का लेंथ चाहिए 100, प्रोवाइड 100. 45 डिग्रीज इफ यू नीड, सेलेक्ट टैब को सेलेक्ट करना, आपको पता है, रिमेंबर? टैब को सेलेक्ट करके 45 डालना, एंटर डालना. परफेक्ट. अगेन एंटर. हियर इफ वी आर चेकिंग द डायमेंशन ना, प्रॉपर 100 लेंथ and 45 degrees angularity will be.
Okay.
Aligned dimension में end to end and angularity. From this to 45 degrees आए ना? And next length 100. Got it?
Okay. Yes sir.
ये advantage है लाइन का. सिर्फ डायरेक्शन दिखाना. Got it?
Okay sir.
Any more queries? Fine then. Okay, better practice the models which our sir has said, and then list out the doubts. That will be advantage. Okay. Try to get errors. That will be advantage for you. Okay. जेवढं एरर्स आहे ना, तेवढा फायदा तुम्हाला. इंटरव्यू मध्ये गेल्यावर एरर्स आला ना, नो वन कॅन सॉल्व. कुणी मदत करणार नाही.
बरोबर सर.
एक्झॅक्टली. सो ट्राय टू गेट एरर्स. नो इश्यू. डोंट थिंक दॅट असा विचार करू नका तुम्हाला येतच नाही. एरर्स न शिकणार कुणी पण, डायरेक्टली कुणाला येत नाही. फाइन देन वी कॅन लिव्ह फॉर द टुडे. ओके, थँक यू. प्रॅक्टिस वेल.
You can leave. And I'm Rohit here. कोई अभी रिकॉर्डिंग्स में मिलेगा, डोंट वरी. अगर आप लोग को 1 घंटे बाद रिकॉर्डिंग तैयार हो जाता है तो आप आई शेयर इन योर कॉमन व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, तो रिकॉर्डिंग से भी आप फॉरवर्ड बैकवर्ड करके आप देख सकते हो. डोंट वरी, विल गेट रिकॉर्डिंग्स एवरी डे. मे बी सपोज 1-2 घंटे बाद तैयार हो जाता है, 1 घंटा एटलीस्ट लगते हैं, 1 hour it takes to prepare recording. So I'll give you after 1 hour, or maybe same day or next day I'll give you. Agar whatever queries you have, just post in that WhatsApp group, whether you have a drawings required or whatever recordings required. Just common, no need to give me a call, just WhatsApp me for small thing. Not need to, because I'm handling more than 200 students, so every time I cannot pick up everybody calls. More you practice, more you get. Correct. Correct, Rahul sir. And you should be ready with doubts. We are here to clear, solve your doubts. And thanks Akash sir. आकाश, तो आपको देखो एक नीचे में ग्रीन शेयर स्क्रीन दिख रहा होगा अपने जूम में, दिख रहा है आप लोगों को? यस नो प्लीज, जस्ट इन फॉर 2 minutes विल एंड द मीटिंग। दिख रहा है ना
यस सर।
स्क्रीन शेयर? तो इसमें आप ओपन करो फाइल्स और अपने स्क्रीन शेयर कर दो। जैसे मैं अभी अपना स्क्रीन राहुल सर ने हटा लिया स्क्रीन, तो अभी कोई भी शेयर करना चाहता है अपने AutoCAD को ओपन करो और देन यू शेयर थ्रू दिस स्क्रीन। जैसे कोई भी, if anybody wanted to do, please you can try. Anybody? कोई भी वर्ड का फाइल, कोई भी फाइल ओपन करो which you can think you can show to everybody. Anybody want to try? आप ओपन करो फाइल और ये किसका स्क्रीन है? Whose screen is this? हाँ, very nice, very nice. तो ये इंटरेक्टिव, यू हैव रन इश्यूज, नो वरी। तो ये आप कोई भी फाइल ओपन करो, स्क्रीन शेयर करो, तो आपको डाउट सेशंस इसी के लिए होता है, वन वे इंटरेक्शन। आपके कोई भी डाउट सर है, वी आर कीपिंग 15 minutes फॉर डाउट सेशंस। अपने डाउट्स आप पूछ लो, चाहे वो कोई भी ट्रेनिंग हमारा चल रहा है। डोंट वरी, वी आर गोइंग टू हेल्प यू सिंगल 1-to-1, इवन 1 कैंडिडेट रहेगा, आपको जो लेवल का भी डाउट है वी आर देयर टू हेल्प यू आउट, ठीक है? और कोई इश्यूज है, यू कैन गेट बैक टू मी थ्रू व्हाट्सएप नंबर, व्हाट्सएप मी प्रेफर, ओके? एंड योर फीडबैक सजेशन, जैसे स्वप्निल सर ने बोला कि हाँ राहुल सर थोड़ा स्लो चलो, कोई बात नहीं, आप बताओ राहुल सर को कि थोड़ा स्लो जा रहा है, फास्ट जा रहा है, नो वरी, वी आर देयर टू हेल्प यू, है ना? इफ यू आर गोइंग स्लो फास्ट, जस्ट लेट अस नो, डोंट वरी, वी आर देयर टू, बिकॉज हर किसी को लेके चलना है, यू नो, एक नॉर्मल पेस से जाना है। किसी का somebody is grasping is good, somebody is low, you know, we are working professional, we have other things also to take care of, home, office work, so I know, you know, mind is also not sometimes as not, or not mindset is like a fresher, so don't worry, it's happening with everybody. So it might take you a long time, short time, doesn't matter, we are there to support you. कोई ओपन कर रहा है ये, ठीक है? एनीवे, तो इस तरह से आप ओपन करके डाउट्स पूछ सकते हो, सर से ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा, he'll help you out, don't worry, and it will also be help you other people who are also there in the group, कि उनका भी डाउट्स और रिकॉर्डिंग्स में मिल रहा है। बेस्ट पार्ट, वी आर आल्सो गोइंग टू गिव रिकॉर्डिंग्स access, so you can give access अभी immediately, recordings will have a cloud recording, and thereafter you will have a lifetime access of recordings also, ठीक है? Shall we end the meeting? Then everybody, good night, everybody. Good night, take care. See you tomorrow 8 sharp, 7:55 PM. Thank you, everybody. Good night.
Okay, thank you. Thanks.